Yeah, hello music customers. This is a Takwa marble stones for your house decoration. So nice and beautiful as you can see. The name is Steven Stone Design and we work across the country. You see, I know that you want to get idea about how the stones is going to look in the night or in the darkness. These stones look so beautiful in daytime and in the darkness also. You see, so nice and beautiful. You see, this is a 2 days job. You see, 2 days work. The fact we say we are forming a design. You see, we are forming a design, so that be why the work is not going faster. One thing about me be say I just wanna take my time and do my own thing. Once I've done, the work looks so beautiful on my heart feeling. And I wish like this be my house. You see, if like this my house, I would love to repeat the same thing. You see, everything I do from my heart inside. So nice and beautiful. So if you wish to, you have a vision to lay these natural stones on your building, kindly give us a call. We have to come to your location and take the measurement. You see, we have to come to your location and take the measurement. So after the measurement, we will give you a quotation about the stone material. You see, this is an stone material right here. You see, this is our stone material. You see, so this is our stone material. You understand me? Before you are facing it on the wall, as you can see. So if you have a vision to lay these natural stones on your building, give us a call. Let us come to your location and measure and take the measurement and give you the cost of the stones, the cost of the workmanship, and how many bags of cement you need. And after that, we supply the stone to your location and we do the installation for you. You see. So whatever you do, wherever you locate yourself, the name is Steven Stone Design. Oh, Chasie. Baby, I'll be a to San Francisco Steven Stone Designer. Oba be juma pa ma o. Yere juma pa ne ye. Ye be take ye tem. Ne no boko. Ye wi ne fe. Oh, Chasie. Oh, shade na fe. E de ne Steven Stone Design. Ejuma pa fie. Ejuma pa nkwa ne ye. Nti bia obia frɛ yɛba bɛyɛ adwuma pa ma wo fɛfɛɛfɛ. Oh, fɛfɛɛfɛ. Oh, Steven ni o. Yɛ dɛ yɛteki yɛ time ne ano bɔkɔ. Yɛwie ne fɛfɛɛfɛ. Ana maglobo be mio edonye mi no nyeme nkonyi Steven. Ne leji amoko ako ekpeko obo dona wa your Steven Stone Design. Nyaba odo nyuko no nimi odo a onto la paka ji ajo alegbegbe. Tafik le bia your Steven Stone Design. Waba odo nyuko no. Ce que je disais, je m'appelle Steven Stone Design. On travaille ici au Ghana. Regardez comment notre travail est beau, est belle, est joli. Il faut nous appeler. Regardez comment notre travail est si joli. Ici, c'est Steven Stone Design. On fait un beau boulot dans le pays du Ghana. Regardez comment le boulot est joli. Vraiment joli. Tu peux nous appeler. On va venir et faire un nouveau boulot pour toi. Et tu seras vraiment content pour nous appeler. Voilà. Chouchou. Voilà. Voilà. Vraiment, vraiment, vraiment joli. Waouh. Maintenant, on dit que au revoir. Je serai ici demain ou après-demain pour vous montrer comment le travail est joli sur le mur. Au revoir.